Guys, welcome back to my page. On today's video I am so excited, guys. I bought a ring light and I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. This is the tripod and this is the face of the ring light. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the tripod. Is a 10 inches ring light. 10 inches. Let me not go and break something here. It has a screw. This is screw. I guess is to use it and adjust it. This is quite long. I have to adjust it. I'm adjusting it to my height. Tall people can let it to be very tall. No, it has to come up more. It has many adjustments. Here, can you see? So for any adjustment what's this for? For any adjustment, after adjusting, you screw it back. You screw it back. Here we are done with the tripod. You can call me. You see the technician. So this is the ring light itself. Let's see what is in it. Let's see what will go here. Any other thing? No more thing in the back. We have two more things here. I guess this is the phone holder. It's the phone holder. It looks like phone. And this. What's this for? Okay. It has a hole. Can you see the hole? I'm sure it's for. Let's put. So this, we are going to fix this here. This is, it has, you are screwing it in. So it has wire. Let's open up the wire. This is the settings. Color. Okay, I didn't tell you guys this has 3 colors. It has 3 colors. So I guess this color is to change the colors. We'll come to it. RGB, was it for up, down, mode, and on and off. So let's fix the phone holder. It's adjustable. Like you can. This is hard though, can't you? I was thinking one can bend it. Okay. One can bend and straighten it. You can do it anyhow you like, but please don't go and spoil your ring light. So it's time to plug it. Let's see how it looks like. So let's plug it to power bank. Guys, let's come here. Let's on it. Oh, this is so fine. It has control. Oh, see color. White. It has different colors, like it has red, green, and blue. So for the colors, I'm seeing up, down. Let's see what this is for. It's actually adjustable. You can brighten the color or you reduce it. Down button is to reduce the color, the brightness. I don't know if I should remove the pouch of my phone. Okay, you'll see the technician. You see the technician. Don't know how to. Okay. I'm gonna phone my phone. Can you guys see? This is so fine. This is for portraits. It's for portrait. If you want it landscape, what you just have to do is to turn it this way. And there you go. That's landscape. Guys, that will be it for this video. Thank you guys once again for coming. Until I come your way again. Bye.